Hey people, D-Man here, and today, as you can see, we have something from Harvey's. These are their brand new sauces and chicken nuggets. Now, these things are very expensive. I will admit that these things are very expensive, and that is a hair, and I'll put that off to the side so it doesn't get in my food. But these things are very expensive, I'll be honest. It was a total ripoff in my opinion. These things, it comes with, one of these comes with one, and this is a 10 piece, by the way. You can at very least get like 2 or 4 of these at McDonald's when you get nuggets. Like, what the hell is this about, man? Just one sauce for a 10 piece nugget, and these nuggets cost about $8 for 10, and it goes a little bit cheaper for the other ones, but 10 piece nuggets for $8. That's ridiculously expensive, just like McDonald's nuggets. And we all know Wendy's is the best nuggets. But these are new nuggets, so they might be better. They might be really good. Hopefully they are, because I spent $8 for 10 pieces. And it only comes with one sauce, and to buy the other sauces, you have to pay 50 cents each. 50 cents. Fucking ridiculous. But what's the new sauces they have with them? Let's see. They have sweet hot sauce, and they have a sweet and sour. They have garlic dill. So like a dill pickle sort of thing. Barbecue, honey mustard, ghost peppers, which I'm looking forward to. And ranch. And for some reason they also gave me a plum sauce. I don't know why. But I might try it, I guess. I don't know. But I have 10 nuggets. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sauces. So I can have 2 nuggets by themselves. So let's try a nugget by itself before I eat it. So first thing about the nuggets. They smell fairly good. They look unruly, to say at most. To say it like the best, it's very unruly. But they're all a fair size, so it's not like they're too bad. But let's try a nugget and see what it tastes like. Okay. It's not bad. I would say that's an average nugget. It's not bad, not like super good, but average. Definitely not worth the price though. Okay. That's an average. Not worth the price. But average. If you want to see the best nugget, I made a video about it. If I remember, I'll put in a link down below. But if I don't, just go to my channel and go to my food related playlist, and you'll find it. But yeah, not bad. Average nugget. Don't know if it's worth the price. But anyways, I'm going to open these sauces real quick, and then we'll be right back.
Hey, just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, share this video, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok down below.
So we have them all open. We have the sweet hot or sweet heat or whatever it's called. Excuse me. Sweet and sour, dill, barbecue, honey garlic, honey mustard, not honey garlic, honey mustard. The ghost pepper, the ranch, which I love on their pickles, on their was it roasted? No, deep fried pickles, and for some reason the plum sauce they gave me by accident. But let's try the sweet heat. Let's try that first. Sweet heat. Okay. It is spicy. It is spicy. But not super spicy. Okay, took a drink to get that out of my mouth. Now this sweet, sour. No, that's a no. That's a no. It was not good to me personally. That's a no. Get a drink. Okay, so this one, pretty good. Now, the dill. Garlic dill. Um, it tastes like something you'd put on a salad. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Not horrible, but not very good. But not disposable. Okay, so barbecue, which is usually what I have on nuggets. Barbecue. Okay. Barbecue is lackluster compared to other barbecues I've had from other stores. But it's serviceable, I guess, so it's okay. Took a drink. Honey mustard, or honey mustard. Probably won't like this one. That was fair. That was fair. It's pretty good. As a matter of fact, I might say this one tasted slightly better than the barbecue. But yeah. Anyways, ghost pepper. Ghost pepper. Huh. Okay. That's disappointing. It has a spiciness that you get at the end. Definitely does. It's way spicier than this one. Has a lingering spiciness. But it has a plain taste at first until you get the spicy kick. So disappointing, but okay. Ranch. I love this on their deep fried pickles. It's okay on the chicken. It's okay. Last one, the accidental plum they gave me. Oh. Ew. That's bad. Oh, gross. Nuh-uh. So if I were to rank these, accidental plum, horrible. Sweet and sour, second to last. Right after the accidental plum. I'd probably say this one third. I'd say. Let's do it by first place. Yeah, first place. Let me see this one again. Let me see. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. So, first place goes to the honey, I almost said pepperoni, but no, honey mustard. Second place goes to the barbecue. Third, Let's see this one again. Third goes to the ghost pepper. Fourth goes to the spicy. Fifth goes to this guy. Fifth goes to the dill, I should say. Sixth goes to the ranch. Seventh goes to the sweet and sour. And eighth and final place goes to the crappy accidental plum sauce. Anyways, that's the review on this whole thing, I guess. Nuggets are an average. I wouldn't pay the money to get them again, to be honest. And the sauces are okay. A little bit below quality on the barbecue sauce. But yeah, that's about it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. This one did have a spicy kick, though. This one was okay spicy. But this one did have a spicy kick, but it was kind of plain at first, so that's why I ranked it so low. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification. That video I was talking about ranking the nuggets, which doesn't include these ones because these ones are new, will be in the link down below, hopefully. And hit the bell, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And remember, my friends, stay sane. Peace. Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.